In front of me I have Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this device. First, we need to press and hold the power button until this menu appears on the screen. Then we need to press and hold on the power off option. You should get the warning message about save mode. Basically, what it says what the save mode does, and what it does is basically it disables all third-party applications that are installed on your phone. And it's useful for basically troubleshooting your phone, for example. So if something is not working or something is causing some problems, you can enter the save mode and check if it's a fault of third-party applications or not. And once you're done reading the warning, you can tap on OK to reboot your phone and wait until the phone is done booting into save mode. And as you can see, we booted into save mode because it says it right here. We can unlock the screen, and some of the apps are not working, are disabled, like widgets, and also there should be apps grayed out. Oh, like here, for example, Google Pay, podcasts and stuff like that. This means that the apps are disabled. And to use them again, you need to basically boot into normal mode. And to do it, basically to exit the save mode, simply press and hold the power button. When this menu appears, tap on the restart option and wait until the phone is done rebooting. And that's how you enter the save mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.